This method, with just a dash of patience, will result in beautiful curves. Start with pieces that have been notched at the center with a pair of sharp-tipped embroidery scissors. Working with the background patch on top, pin at the centers, taking a small bite with the pin. Pin at both ends of the seam, taking deeper bites. Add extra pins as desired. Align the pieces at the beginning of the seam and drop the needle into the fabric. Begin stitching, removing pins as you sew. Allow yourself to go slowly, letting the feed dogs pull the fabric. Adjust as needed, leaving the needle down and lifting the foot to realign the raw edges. Stitch all the way to the end. Using straight tip snips, such as Havel's embroidery scissors, clip the curved seam to allow it to fold easily and press. If you allow yourself to go slowly, you'll be rewarded with the perfect curved seam.